And for the former aviation minister, Mr. Fani-Kayode, today's judgment is a courageous one by the Lagos Appeal Court. He explains that it's wrong for anyone to hold back innocent people in jail for a very long period of time. Mr. Fani-Kayode spoke to our correspondent in Abuja, Nigeria's capital city.
It gives me hope for Nigeria. It gives me hope for all of us that no matter what anybody goes through in this country, at the end of the day, the courts will do the right thing and stand up for those that are innocent of allegations that are made against them. So I have to commend the courage of the courts of appeal for doing the right thing. If the evidence had been there, I would be one of the first to tell you that he should have not only been convicted, but he should be hung at the gallows. But there was no evidence. And as far as I'm concerned, what we're meant to do in law it's not a question of whether somebody is guilty or not guilty. It's a question of whether the prosecution or the state can prove somebody guilty. In this case, the state failed woefully. And I've always said from day one that Al-Mustapha's long incarceration without conviction and conviction without any evidence was essentially political. This is the only man that can tell us the answers of the relevant questions of the day. The first question is, who killed MKO Abiola? The second question is, who killed General Sani Abacha himself? The third question is, who killed Alhaja Kudirat Abiola and so many others? You see, because the people that did this and did these terrible things are still out there. They haven't been apprehended. They haven't spent one day in jail. They've never been arraigned of anything. The people that gave the orders for these killings, some in Nigeria, some outside Nigeria. It's all very easy, all very well and so easy to find a middle-ranking officer and say, oh, he was one of the hatchet men, lock him up and throw away the key forever, which is what I think happened in this case. I studied the evidence. I was never pro-Abacha. I saw Al-Mustapha as an adversary throughout the years of June 12th and throughout the Abacha years. I was driven into exile at that time.